In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Shopify buy button into your Webflow website. This is a fantastic way to seamlessly connect your online store with your beautifully designed Webflow site, allowing visitors to make purchases with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and take it step by step so you can follow along easily. First, we need to start by opening Shopify. If you're not already familiar with it, Shopify is a robust and user-friendly e-commerce platform where you can manage your online store. Once you're in, look for the Sales Channel section on your Shopify dashboard. This area helps you manage where and how your products are sold, be it on your website, social media, or through a buy button, which is what we're focusing on today. In the Sales Channel section, move over to the search bar and type in Buy Button. This handy little tool will allow you to create buttons that make it incredibly simple for your customers to buy your products directly from anywhere on your website. Type it in and hit enter. Now, here's a little tip. The load time can vary a bit, so you'll want to be patient while it processes. Sometimes, technology likes to take its time, but that's okay. Once your search brings up the results, go ahead and generate a buy button for the products you'd like to display on your website. Shopify makes it straightforward to select the items you want and customize the buttons to fit your needs. They offer flexibility in the button design, allowing you to tailor everything to match your brand's style and aesthetic. Once you've customized your buttons, you'll receive an embed code. This piece of code is crucial as it's what we're going to use to place your new buy buttons on your Webflow site. Now, let's switch gears and head over to Webflow, your go-to place for creating and designing your website. Within Webflow, locate and click on the Add button. This is where you'll incorporate new elements into your web page design. You can find the Add button typically at the top of the interface. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option for Code Embed. Click on it. This is your gateway to integrating external pieces of code, like our Shopify buy button, into your Webflow page. Now, take that embed code you copied from Shopify and paste it right into this section. Once you've pasted the code, go ahead and save your changes and close the embed dialog. You're almost finished, but one last pro tip, feel free to design any surrounding elements on your page to complement and enhance your button's look. Adjust things like color schemes, borders, or even add additional text to ensure everything blends seamlessly with your site's design narrative. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Shopify buy button to your Webflow site, creating a seamless shopping experience for your visitors.